Welcome to the Architect's Guide to Future-Proof Home Wiring. This video will show you how to design a modern, high-capacity wiring ecosystem for the next generation of smart homes. We are experiencing a paradigm shift. Traditional wiring only provides basic electricity. Future-perfect wiring must manage data, automation, and power through a structured Ethernet and bus-based logic. High-quality copper wire is the physical foundation. To future-proof a home, use 12-gauge wire, or 2.5 millimeters squared for standard outlets. Thicker wire prevents heat buildup and energy loss. Smart technology requires physical space. Install 47 millimeter deep wall boxes to prevent cable crushing. Install empty conduits inside the walls to allow future fiber optic installations without breaking drywall. The nervous system of the home is the structured hardwired data network. Run 2 Cat6 or Cat7 Ethernet drops to every room, and terminate all data lines in a central media closet. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, eliminates standard power outlets for smart devices. A single cable delivers both data and electrical power for smart touch panels, security cameras, and Wi-Fi access points. Modular automation replaces point-to-point logic with a bus system, like KNX. Low-voltage wire connects switches and sensors to a central controller, allowing you to reprogram switches via software. Future homes will have heavy power demands. Plan for dedicated high-current circuits for induction hobs and high-speed ovens. Also, install a 240-volt circuit in the garage for electric vehicle charging with smart load shedding. Treat every room as a functional zone. Plan for empty conduits in the TV wall and dedicated circuits for the home office. In the kitchen, place outlets every 1.2 meters along the backsplash and integrate USB-C power ports. Modern electrical codes mandate layers of circuit protection. Residual current devices, or RCDs, prevent shocks. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, prevent fires. Surge protection devices, or SPDs, protect electronics. IoT breakers replace the standard breaker box, creating a smart service panel. This allows for real-time energy insights and remote management, such as turning off forgotten circuits from your smartphone. Future homes are prosumers that produce and consume energy. Integrate solar and battery storage. Critical load sub-panels automatically power essential appliances like refrigerators and the internet during an outage. Follow a 3-step execution plan. Step 1 is detailed CAD planning and mapping every point of use. Step 2 is an on-site walkthrough before wall closure. Step 3 is thorough documentation and labeling. The golden rules of future-proofing are to plan for 20% more capacity than you need and to leave a flexible, documented roadmap. Attach numbered tags to both ends of every wire and photograph all open walls.